Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jada and I am a faux lock stylist in Brooklyn, New York. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install soft locks in 4 different ways to achieve a knotless look. Meaning no knot. Nowhere through the lock, you should have a knot after this video. Okay guys, so for the first method, you are going to crochet the soft lock into the middle of your client's braid. Not the top, not the bottom, the middle of your client's braid. Just like what you see in this video, you want to insert it to the middle of the client's braid. Then you're going to take whatever wrapping hair you like. I prefer water wave, and you're going to start wrapping. I have a more in detail tutorial on this specific method. So once you're done here, head over to my channel and watch this video. So you're going to start wrapping, and I just wrap 3 times at the top, and then I start moving down. So as I'm wrapping, you can see how flat that is. Now we're hitting the knot. So what you're going to do is take your thumb and squeeze the knot down. And I like to just pull the water wave here a little bit more tighter around the knot, just to make sure that the knot is as small as it can get, so that way we can get that seamless look, that no knot look, like it's coming straight out the scalp. And then I start wrapping. I'm doing my textured soft locks on my client, so whatever look you're doing with the soft lock, you start back wrapping. So as we can see, there is no knot, no anything, like it's just seamless. If this part was smaller, it will be coming out the scalp, because baby, where is the knots? I do not see any knots. Okay guys, so method number 2. So we're back with the soft lock, and you're going to open up that loop to the soft lock, and you're going to pull apart the hair that is forming the loop, and you're going to leave the rest to the side. This makes the hair that's forming the loop a much more skinnier, so you don't even have to worry about a knot. And you're going to insert it to the middle of your client's braid. Always insert your locks further down the client's braid, so that way when you're wrapping, it just gives like a straight out the scalp look once again. Then you're going to take your favorite wrapping here one more time. Water wave is my fave. I do sell my vendor list if you guys are interested. And you're going to start wrapping. So like I said before, I wrap 3 times at the top. And then I start moving down. And you just wrap. You really don't even have to worry about the knot, because the hair is already, the loop was already so thin. Like it just melts right in. Like I can't even explain it. When you try it, you'll see. And I start wrapping my client's hair, and look how seamless that looks. Like there's no knot, guys. Like, come on. I think this is the best one of them all. Like, come on. That's amazing. Okay guys, so method number 3. So for this one, it's not really one of my faves, but it's very good for like easy takedowns. So let's get into it. So what you're going to do is you're going to install the soft lock way farther down the braid. That's why I really don't like it, because it makes the lock length longer than what it really is. So you're going to insert it probably more towards the end of your client's braid, and then you're going to crochet your client's braid into the top of her braid, like you see here. I'm so sorry, my hands are in the way. That is so horrible. But you're going to crochet the braid into the top of your client's braid, similar to like if you're doing the tuck-in method for butterfly locks. You can definitely type that in on YouTube, and I'm pretty sure some videos will come up, since my hands were in the way. So sorry about that. Then I'm going to take my water wave here, and I'm going to start wrapping. So as you can see, I'm wrapping. I hit the knot. When you wrap past it, it doesn't really bother you, so you don't really have to squeeze it or anything. But I think the knot of my soft lock was kind of big. I mean, the loop was kind of thick, so I just squeezed it a little bit. And as you guys can see, we have another flawless outcome, guys. Like, look at this. It's just amazing. The only good thing about this one, like I mentioned before with the takedown, the client will just have to cut right underneath their hair. And the whole lock is basically out. But it also has its con, because they can cut their own hair. Okay, guys, so this is the third method. You are going to braid your client's hair midway. Then you are going to hook on your soft lock. You're going to put it on to one of the strands of the client's braid, and then you're just going to continue braiding. Very simple. You're going to hook the soft lock onto one of the strands of the client's braid, and then you're going to continue braiding. So one of the strands to be sliding through the loop of the soft lock. And then you start wrapping. So with this one, the knot is already seamless, so you just wrap right on over it. As you can see, it's already seamless. It's giving that out the scalp. Tip, guys, the smaller the parts are for soft locks, the more out of the scalp it's going to look. It's going to give fresh retwists. It's going to give out of the scalp. It's going to be like, oh girl, oh my god, did you grow some dreads? Like this is a really good method if you're somebody who is moving on a timely manner. You have a lot of clients this day, because those soft locks are already in the braid. So once you're done braiding, all you have to do is wrap your locks, and that's nothing. Soft locks are one of the easiest faux lock styles to do. Oh, and don't be reading my client messages, y'all. I see y'all trying to read it. Mind your business. Okay, guys, so this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you practice these styles, and I swear to God, you'll perfect soft locks. You'll be given that fresh out the scalp look. You'll be getting booked. You'll be busy. Girl, make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment, and share, and thank you for tuning in.